time this feeling hits, I gotta stay. Take this moment and get my fix, I gotta wait. My patience ain't that strong, maybe I'll keep this all night long, we'll see. Just don't take life too seriously, let the feeling come. Just wait for it, let the feeling come. Let it run it all night long. Just wait for it, let the feeling come. Let it run it all night long. Let the this feeling hits, I gotta stay. Take this moment and get my fix, I gotta wait. My patience ain't that strong, baby. I'll keep this all night long, we'll see. Just don't take life too seriously, let the feeling come. Just wait for it, let the feeling come. Don't you let it run, feel it all night long. Just wait for it, let the feeling come. Don't you let it run, feel it all night long. Let the feeling come. Just wait for it. Let the feeling come.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. What is Bitcoin doing today? Well, as we saw yesterday, our ABC pattern corrected there. I tell everyone I don't do time calculations, so you can see I was off a little bit there. But we hit all the marks I was looking for. We bounced right off the 618, continued down for the C, and now we are back on our way up. So that would have been a good long position to take at the end of this. I was sleeping, so I couldn't take it. All right, 11.8 Bitcoin. What you gonna do? So let's see here. We tested the 12K range, but we broke off it twice. You can see that got pushed down a little bit, but it still looks strong. Look how much it tested the upper range versus the lower range. So, pretty good stuff.
BOA Network 7, Loom Network 8, Maker number 9, and then 0x Protocol number 10.
Let's see what you got, Chico. What you got for us today, Mr. Chico Crypto?
You picked the wrong week to quit smoking. Quitting smoking stuff. I'd recommend a vape pen. So this started coming out. Binance has started sending out some emails regarding KYC on their exchange. So Binance strives to operate in compliance with global legal requirements. As such, we regretfully cannot serve U.S. persons in accordance with our terms of service. Upon the conclusion of our account review on July 3rd, 2019, only those verified as non-U.S. through a combination of documentary and non-documentary evidence will enjoy full access to Binance.
Binance coming with the gangsta shit.
Your account has been identified as one showing U.S. Being U.S. and may be offboarded in our final review if so determines. So these emails are starting to come out saying you're going to get kicked off. And then, so where are you supposed to trade some cryptocurrency? I mean, a lot of exchanges right now are requiring KYC. Where can you get Bitcoin without KYC? There still are some options out there. There's HODL HODL, which is basically a P2P Bitcoin exchange. So you can buy Bitcoins, kind of like a local Bitcoins, but decentralized. There's BISC.network, which is a decentralized exchange with Tor integration. No KYC needed for BISC. It's going to be run with a decentralized autonomous organization. There is also localcoinswap.com. Doesn't require KYC. This person's selling GameStop gift card. Oh, they're looking to sell their Bitcoin for GameStop gift card. That's fine. And then also, Komodo, another project haven't talked about much on the channel. It looks like they're getting ready to have a full release. The public beta is out right now of their Atomic Dex, which is one of the first mobile dexes doing atomic swaps. Fastest 1321. What time?
All right, Bitcoin. What you gonna do? Pushing up a little bit here.
I'm in Florida.
Watching Chico Crypto give us a little rundown of the day.
CZ is scum. That is true, Scottish Bull. What is KYC? It's know your customer. You have to give details about yourself, like your name, passport. A lot of people don't like that. So it looks like Gemini, the Winkies, are looking to apply for a FINRA broker-dealer license to facilitate security token trading. They all have their crypto exchange already, and it looks like they're going for another license to expand their platform for security tokens. Security tokens haven't been moving as much. You know, they were big talk and everything. You know, there was ICO versus STO. And then the IEO came, and it kind of took over the spotlight. You don't hear much about STOs, but they're still there. Joey Chestnut just ate 71 hot dogs in 10 minutes. Holy mackerel. Florida is sinking. And then
See
I'm
what
sure
else
most
is
of
going
you
on in the
saw
old
this.
YouTube space.
Education in the industry. But yeah, I mean, connect the dots, guys. Like, they are all going to other countries now and trying to get these things implemented and get these larger investments. Juan Hafizi Halim, an Islamic finance expert at Anami Advisors in Dubai, told CoinDesk his firm issued a paper saying Ethereum smart contracts can be halal or compliant with Islamic banking rules. Juan Hafizi said the research was conducted at the behest of the Ethereum Foundation, which is spearheaded by Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin. What we did with Ethereum was just to provide the guidelines, Juan Hafizi told CoinDesk. Any companies that wish to fundraise in Islamic countries, they can also approach Sharia scholars to assess their projects to see if they are compliant from end to end.
Oh, so
With
that's the
Sharia
scam, dude.
certification
They want all the
obtained,
shit to
that
go
can
through their
provide some
fucking
clarity
advisors.
and
Talk about
convince
fucking
Muslims
centralized.
investors to participate and invest. Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, or PIF, led by the controversial Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, reportedly manages investments worth $300 billion. Griffith called the certification effort a moonshot with a high upside if it works and a low downside if it doesn't. Yet, it may not be far-fetched to imagine Middle Eastern royals investing in Ethereum projects, or the crypto space as a whole, I would say. A crypto trader in Saudi Arabia with knowledge of the local regulatory authorities who asked to remain anonymous because trading is currently forbidden in the kingdom, told CoinDesk that Saudi leaders are interested in using Ethereum for national projects that will help the economy. Most blockchain development here happens on Ethereum, he said. People are still pretty cautious and only testing things out. So yeah, I mean, I think that getting that stamp of approval cannot be bad and can only be good for the kind of evolution of the crypto space. So I don't know.
I know.
Interesting.
I say fuck that.
All right. Next up in the news, let's get to some of your comments first. Let's see. Everyone's talking about where Cardano is going to be. 100,000 ADA. Wow, that would be pretty crazy. ADA in Satoshi is melting. Yep, we talked about that a little bit earlier in this cast. And VeChain. Okay, a lot of VeChain recently because Walmart partnered with them. All right. Next up, Stellar seeks to attract new partnerships and developers. Stellar Partnerships Head explores latest XLM developments. Stellar has had a busy year so far. The blockchain project has established several new partnerships, suffered a troubling network outage, and is soon expected to roll out a new developer-focused website. Crypto Briefing recently had the opportunity to sit down with Lisa Nestor, head of partnerships at the Stellar Development Foundation, to discuss some of these topics in more detail. So, what does a head of partnerships at Stellar actually do? According to Nestor, much of her job entails finding companies that align with Stellar strategy and receiving those interested in working with Stellar to bring them on board. It also involves helping projects already on the platform to scale their activities, such as Token.io, which partnered with Tandem Bank earlier this year, or Satoshi Pay. One of these partners is WireX, a UK-based company providing payment cards for spending crypto. WireX has been making waves in the Stellar ecosystem.
Nobody's trying to spend crypto.
26 new stablecoins on the
People
platform.
hodling.
The
It's
company
a hodl
recently
time.
launched an IEO, which is initial exchange offering, on the OKX Jumpstart program. Ms. Nestor has also been given a key participant in the Stellar partnership with IBM's WorldWire. However, given the Stellar focus on financial inclusion, she emphasized that the importance of onboarding localized payments on off-ramps for Stellar, saying, quote, in Nigeria, in Brazil, and Mexico, there's a basket of companies that have the capacity to provide really good local currency deposit and withdrawal services into the Stellar ecosystem, and Though those companies might not be as big as a brand name as IBM, they're really, really important to get the network to where it needs to be. This means a lot of slow, methodical, one-by-one discussions, but I think it's critical, end quote. And I completely agree. I think that, starting small can lead to bigger, endeavors. And at the end of the day, if you don't start somewhere, how can you start anywhere, right? And we don't know some of these companies that they're onboarding, the potential that those companies have. So onboarding smaller companies, it could be an Amazon in 5 or 10 years, right? And now they're on the Stellar blockchain. All right. Stellar goes dark. We know that Stellar went down recently. So what they said to that was, we've seen as part of that a lot of new validators being added to the network, which is awesome. But what happened was that there was this new growth of validators, and those validators started creating quorums with other validators that perhaps weren't quite mature enough to have a lot of dependency on. End quotes. She said the foundation is now working with a full team in-house, which is reaching out to validators and educating them on best case standards. The idea is to make it easier to understand when a validator is doing a good job or otherwise. With so many validators joining the network, it's also vital to educate them about the importance of reputation and history in order for them to find a high-quality validators to include in their quorums. And this is why, again, going back to Cardano, Cardano is looking to create these, educational videos. And Hoskinson, I believe, talked about this on his AMA earlier, where Cardano wants to put out a lot of these educational videos to teach people and get them understanding and everybody on the same page. And I think that some of these other blockchain and crypto ecosystems need to do the same thing, because there's a lot about the crypto and what their partnerships.
What are you gonna do?
Doing, but there's
Bitcoin
not as much education on the back end.
Testing the 18.5 area again.
Learning how to run a node, et cetera, et cetera. So it's good to see that they are focusing on that. So that's an update from Stellar. Keep in mind, Blockchain Worldwire is on the Stellar network, and I think that it's going to be pretty big in a few years. We shall see. We shall see. And then this was another article. I don't think I'm going to even go through it, because I am, guys, I've been talking for the last hour. And we are starting to lose some people on the stream. So FCA proposes ban on crypto products. Financial Conduct Authority says crypto assets are ill-suited to small investors and very volatile. And by the way, this is UK. The UK markets regulator has proposed a ban on financial instruments linked to digital currencies, such as Bitcoin, warning that such products could cause huge losses for retail consumers unlikely to understand their risks or value. The FCA said products such as derivatives and exchange-traded notes that reference crypto assets were ill-suited to small investors.
Ill-suited?
It cited that their extreme volatility, the difficulty in valuing them, consumers' patchy understanding of what they were buying, and increased risk of financial crime. Investors might suffer harm from sudden and unexpected losses if they invest in these products, the FCA said, estimating that a ban would benefit consumers to the tune between £75 million and £234 million a year. Now, guys, we've heard this before, but at the end of the day, you can't ban your way out of it. We know that Bitcoin was banned and cryptocurrency essentially were banned in China, and it's still going on. You cannot stop Bitcoin. What they need to do is, instead of looking to ban it, they should be looking at how can they get involved to educate the retail investors, similar to how the SEC puts out information on how to spot crypto scams and how to really do your own research. But that's why I always say to you guys, do your own research. Make sure that you understand any investment that you're getting in, because as much as you can make money, you can lose it all at the same time. All right. Thank you guys so much. Somebody said good stream. I really believe in VeChain. Okay, great. Love Cardano. Betting big on ADA. So where do you guys go to get your cryptocurrencies? What exchanges do you use? By the way, I'm about to end the stream. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate you guys watching, joining me on the stream today. Hopefully you guys are having a great 4th of July. Hopefully you guys like this stream. I will do more if you guys want, but just let me know in the comments below. Follow me on Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And until next
Mm-hmm.
better. Okay, cool. Bueno. Cracking right along. So, as I was saying, maybe I lose my train of thought. Music was too loud. And you just hear all the time. You can go on any cryptocurrency Reddit board. You can go on any cryptocurrency Discord or Telegram channel, whatever have you. And you're going to hear just horror stories of individuals being liquidated. And you're going to see that exact same thing in Forex. You're going to see that exact same thing in the E-mini futures, because individuals just aren't, typically retail traders are just not aware of how important risk management is. And now everybody has had a real life example of why it is absent. Now it's too, stop it. I can't do anything right. Let's try that. Okay. Because it is. Listen, guys. It is absolutely essential that you are allowed to stay in the game. Period. Jonathan Falcher, good to see you, my man. Hey, shout out to you, Louisa. Hopefully you're having a good time with your dad there. So it is absolutely essential that we apply risk management in our strategy every single day, every single time, and to not view it as a nuisance, because individuals, one common question is, well, if I would have just risked more on that trade, I would have made a whole bunch more money. Right, but if you would have risked more on that trade and then the trade didn't go in your favor because you didn't know if it was going to go in your favor up front, you would be singing a different tune, right? You'd be singing a different tune. Just like we got, when we had a couple bad days, I got a lot of messages like, are you sure there's not anything different that we could do insofar as like, how we set our stop losses or position size? I'm like, no, dude, no. You've been crushing it for 90 days and you had 2 bad days. And you do not allow the individual results of 2 bad days to completely reset your thinking. That is why the second most important component in any trading structure is emotional discipline, psychology, okay? Money management or risk management, emotional discipline and psychology, technical strategy, period. So you don't allow the risk management, the money management allows you to be more firm in your emotional discipline, allows you to be much more firm in your emotional discipline. So we're always going to have losers. Even the best traders are going to have a losing streak from time to time. And the only thing that protects a professional trader or a good trader from being out of the game and a losing streak in totality is money management. It's absolutely essential. So anyways, I'm pretty excited, man. It is the 4th of July. We've got a big day. We've got a good show for you guys. I got a lot to go over, man. So, but before I begin, man, I just want to make sure that you guys enjoy the day. If you're not an American and you could give 2 craps less about fireworks, that's absolutely fine. I like me some fireworks. I like me some grilling. Make sure that you guys take advantage of this day, regardless, even if you're not an American, even if this is not a holiday for you. It's a beautiful day. enjoy the time with your family. Make sure that the relationships with your friends and your loved ones are good. Focus on those above all else, because your existence on this earth is not just for yourself, and your existence on this earth is benefited greatly by having good, positive relationships with those around you. So enjoy your time with your family, enjoy your time with your friends. That is what is going to matter when you are on your deathbed, how you left the world behind and how you experienced yourself in this world. And just remember that we trade. That is our profession. That is our job. That is our job. And you should never let your job consume who you are. Okay? It's completely fine to be obsessed. One might argue that I'm quite obsessed myself with the markets and trading strategy and backtesting and optimization and parameter grid searches. But even though I am, I still always take time for my family, and you need to as well. Okay, so let's get into the show. And we're going to start off today's show, as we always do, by giving away some crypto. Yesterday's crypto comment giveaway winner was TMRCNG. You got a hold of me in the Discord, and I tipped you some crypto. So shout out to you, good sir. So let's go grab the URL from yesterday's video. And slide on over here into the live. Slide on over here into the live. And yesterday's video was lose money in 2018's crypto winner. Here is how to get it back. Now, if you guys did not watch that video, I highly recommend that you go watch that video, at least the area where I talk about the largest class action lawsuit in the history of the world. And it is a cryptocurrency global class action lawsuit brought on by JPB against Facebook, Google, and Twitter, claiming that the damages that investors took was directly related to those social media giants' bans on cryptocurrency advertising. That's what we talked about. Whenever you own a business, and for any venture that you're going to do, advertising is absolutely so. It is. Jesus, I can't do anything right as far as the music goes, can I? I feel so alive right now. Okay, guys. Let me check it.
Yo, yo, yo. What up, kid?
There we go.
Yo, 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 yo. Dude. Crypto kid. Crypto kid in the house. Dude. How you like that ABC correction from yesterday, bro, Chacho? How you like that ABC, bro? It's almost like it bounced off exactly where I said it was going to bounce off. What do you know about that, dude? Bada bing, bada bang. Brochacho! What do you think's gonna happen now, dude? I mean, we're ranging right now. Look at us. Look at us. We're just ranging here a little bit. But we're testing the upward side a lot. We're testing the upward side a lot more than we're testing the downward side. So, I have a feeling we're about to go pumpy in this motherfucker, dude. I think we're gonna go big. Well, we got time. See, that's the thing. This triangle hasn't played out anywhere near where it needs to play out. So if we take a fucking gam square on this shit, look at this. We have a crazy amount of time. So this thing could go for a while, to be honest. Usually we see breakouts like in this fucking area, right? In the fucking 0.5 to the 618. So that's right. That's probably where I'd be looking for fucking something to happen. So today might be boring, actually. I mean, I guess it's July 4th, so it won't be that boring. There'll be shit to do. We'll be watching fireworks and shit, but I'm not sure what's going to go on with Bitcoin. We'll see. We'll see. It looks like it's going to range for a little while. But that's not surprising, right? Because back in the day, they used to take advantage of like holidays and fucking weekends and shit like that. But I think fucking US people and I think they're starting to catch on. I think they're starting to be like, fuck, dude. We're getting raped on fucking weekends. Oh, we gotta start trading 24/7. So I think that maybe that's what they're doing. Who knows? It's growing up. Bitcoin's all grown up. Look at him. Look at him all grown up. Soon he'll fly out of the nest and, I don't know, bankrupt us and fucking probably go to college and make us broke and shit, and then come back and move back into the fucking house and eat up all our fucking food and shit. Fuck you, Bitcoin. Fucking Bitcoin, little bitch ass kids. You fucking kids. I hope he grows up to be a strong leader, you know what I'm saying? Don't come back to the house, Bitcoin. Stay the fuck out of the house, dude. Once you're 18, Bitcoin, you're out of the fucking house. Get the fuck out. You ain't coming back. That's what my stepdad told me. Once you're 18, dog, you get the fuck out. It's time to go, dude. I did as much as I could for you till you're 18. You gotta go. You gots to go. I moved out when I was 19. I never went back. My little brother is fucking 34. He never left. He still lives at my mom's fucking house. It's like crazy. Fucking blows my mind, man. Same family. This is my little brother. It's just, I don't know, man. Life is crazy, I guess. Bounce, biatch. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get much going on here, dude. If anything, honestly, I mean, it looks strong, but my overall. So I have a couple ways of doing the charts, man. I really only talk about one way, which is the TA way, but over the time that I've been in crypto, I also just get feelings about the fucking charts, which I don't really talk about because that's just weird, right? A feeling about the chart, but it looks pumpy. Everything looks pumpy, but I don't know why. I'm feeling like it's gonna dump here a little bit. Nothing crazy. It's not gonna go under 10K, but I don't know, man. My gut is telling me we're going down. My TA is telling me we're going up. So, if I was going to take a position, I'd follow my TA. I never follow my gut with positions. I always follow my TA. But my gut goes too far, then sometimes I don't get in it. But I don't know. It might be time for a long. It depends what happens when we come test this bottom trend. Once we test this bottom trend and see what happens, like if we bounce fucking straight off it really hard or something, that might be a long opportunity. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. You want to watch Cracking Crypto? Cracking Crypto's talking right now. Let's see what he's saying.
But I talked about my feelings about price action, okay? And just looking at this, the feeling that I have is that we are going to get a failure to achieve. We are going to get a lower high, and we're going.
You hear
to
that?
Lower
He just talked about his feeling.
Now,
what are the fucking chances? I just said that.
Have clear determination of that.
I just fucking said that, dude.
And maybe not tomorrow.
It's almost like I'm a motherfucking professional.
What I still overall think that we're going to see in totality, regardless of the fact that I think the direction will be more to the downside than to the upside.
See?
After a volatile movement like we saw. Okay.
This is what happens when you have your finger on the pulse, dude.
We've talked about this.
You just feel shit sometimes. You just feel it
in huge amounts. It comes in at the beginning of the trend, and it comes in at the end of the trend. Okay. Just as we can see, volume comes in at the beginning of a well, let's bring out that drawing tool again. Volume comes in at the beginning of a trend, and volume comes in at the end of a trend. Okay. And you can just see the peaks of volume because volume, massive volumes like that. Let's see here. Let's get the link then for you. I know I got the link for the news article. And here it is. Here's the link to the news article, Texas Blues and everybody else. There you go. And I'm sure there's a link to the JPB website there, or you can just Google it. Google is your friend, as in all things. Okay. Let's see here. So volume comes into the market at the beginning and the end of the trend. Okay. Now, weekly chart, monthly chart, fundamentally bullish on Bitcoin. I think that this is not a, and we'll get into that here in a little bit when we start talking about the BitMEX bonds and Arthur Hayes coming out and saying that, well, this is a retail-driven phenomena. I disagree. As we've talked about many times, this current bullish rally is not driven by retail investors. It is undoubtedly driven by crypto veterans, individuals who are holding crypto, because regardless of what Kraken CEO Jesse Powell says, regardless of what anybody in the space says, regardless of what any of these influencers say, the numbers don't lie. We have cryptocurrency mobile apps stalling out and downloading, have been stalling out for quite a while, and that is a good leading indicator of retail individuals buying into Bitcoin. The amount of USD, flowing in smaller numbers from retail investors onto exchanges is lower. And the highest traded volume pairs in the market are tether pairs. And crypto newbies do not trade tether. You do not come into the market, buy Bitcoin for dollars at Coinbase, go over to Binance and start moving in and out of tether. You don't do that. I mean, a couple might, but the grand majority of individuals are going to be they aren't even going to know what the heck tether is. So why are they going to move their money into tether? They're new to crypto. They're like, oh, I got this Bitcoin, man. I'm going to get rich. I'm not buying whole Bitcoin. Oh, what's Monero? Let me buy some of that. What's XLM? Let me get some of that too, man. Let me get that ABC DXY coin too. So crypto newbies do not trade in tether, especially not in these high volumes. It was a plastic bottle. Yes, you'll have to forgive me. I'm having the osmosis machine installed, so but that's not going to be until the 11th. So I'm going to have to make do with Dasani until then. I probably could pour it into my glass cup, but I mean, the damage is already done, right? I've already got those
The damage is done.
Phthalates all up in my brain. That is what it is. So moving on. Crypto newbies do not trade in tether. So I do not believe, and I believe that this is fairly statistically provable, that this is a retail-driven bull market. This is a crypto veteran-driven bull market. And again, one could argue about all the shenanigans of Bitfinex and the Tether Treasury, but whatever. That is going to be for you guys to decide. I'm not here to tell you what to think or what actually happens in the markets, and neither do I really care. I am a technical-based trader. So there's always going to be volatility. There's always going to be options no matter what, because everything else is just rank speculation. But it is important for us to have a bead on what's currently going on in the market. It's important for us to have a bead so that we're not caught with our pants down. All right, so anyways, let's talk about the market structure right now. As I said, massive volume coming in at the end of this last movement. Currently, we had a pullback all the way down to the daily baseline. We had a slight close below, teasing right off actually the 21 exponential moving average, which I know some individuals are using as their baseline.
That
There's
little
nothing wrong with
teasy
that. I think
tease.
the 21 exponential moving average is a fantastic baseline. I do use the 13.
Yeah, I like the 21.
It gets me
21's
into
good.
more trades, and I don't find that it gives me a higher probability of losing trades to kind of offset that.
Especially when it
balance.
crosses
Wally,
the 55.
see you doing something, man.
I like the 21 cross on the
And this is a good
55.
opportunity for me to
Especially
give a
on
big
the,
shout
like,
out to Nicholas,
4-hour
Lonjo,
daily.
Rajiv, Chancius, John Butler, Williams, Warrior Outlander, and Oleg. Thank you so much for joining the community over there on YouTube. And Wally coming in strong with the $20, my good friend. He says, we gratefully donate to Cracking Cryptocurrency to announce 50% off Bitcoin is moving discount on Gunbot at Gunbot University, which increases to 55% if you use the coupon code CC. Is that RUN? Yeah, GBU.run says learn, earn, and don't get burned. Well, thank you, man. That is so generous of you, brother. So, okay, so let me make sure that's
Thanks
right.
for that 20 bucks to show your shit live.
If you guys,
I mean, I guess you can't stop it, so
to
like, I'm not sure what to do. I guess
GBU.run and use the coupon code CC.
I don't know. Maybe if you don't address it, people won't do it.
Okay. I got it. You're having a 50% discount off of Gunbot.
I don't know.
And if they use coupon code CC, they get a 55% discount. Awesome, man. Well, shout out to you, my good friend. Thank you for your continued support for everything that you do over there at Gunbot University, man. And I hope you guys are absolutely crushing it in that market. And if you guys would like to take advantage of that, you can head over to gbu.run and use that coupon code CC to get an extra 5% off, man. Don't get caught in the bull market. All right. So let's see here. So, talking about, like, again, I want to talk about price action for just a little bit longer, and then we'll just actually get into what we're actually going to do. I do still have a very strong feeling that we're going to get a failure to achieve, i.e. we're going to
failure to achieve coming.
Mark, Y Sprinter, thank you so much for the follow over there on YouTube, my good friend.
What's going on? Why is he stopping? Is the market dumping?
Let's see.
No. Nothing's happening really right now.
Marlon Jones, Bulls on the block. Thank you so much, my friend, for the support coming through with the $10. He says, thanks for letting viewers know about the JPB lawsuit.
Let's watch some Crypto Daily.
Alts shall have their day. When? No one knows. Will they? No one knows. Anyway, let's get serious now for a second. Yes, serious. I just want to go over some very simple technical analysis, which
That's what I was looking at this morning.
and I think can help us determine.
I was looking. Dude, I had the same fucking exact shit you're on,
You
dude.
already know I'm not a financial advisor, and also that we are in a bull market, and the bull market is going to continue.
It's true.
With that said, every single time this year, Bitcoin has traded close to or below the key 20-day moving average and getting down to the sub 55 levels on the RSI.
Yeah.
Bitcoin has looked prime to surge. This pattern has repeated 3 times this year so far. 1st of July, so a couple of days ago, with Bitcoin closing the day sub 10K, it got close to completing this pattern for a 4th time. But there was a couple of things off about it. Firstly, the timing. As an example, on the completion of the previous 3 rallies, Bitcoin took a breather. First 36 days, 26 days, and another exact 26 days before taking another significant.
You're getting this from Crypto Daily. You don't know about this.
On this 4th occasion, it's been a total of 7 days. So you know what that means? It's not a bull market. It's not a bear market. It's a llama market right now.
It's a llama market.
Is indicative of consolidation.
It's a bull market. What are you talking about?
So then consolidation, if not a downward trend for at least the next, 19 or so days. Now, if this trend in Bitcoin is going to remain true, then in 19 days time, even if it's in a downward trend, we'd still be above 10K. Just thought that was interesting. So of course, it is
we're having an earthquake right now. Holy shit, dude. We're having an earthquake right now as we speak right now. Here in California, dude. It's a fucking earthquake, dude. No fucking bullshit. No fucking bullshit. It's an earthquake right now, dude. It's not that bad. It's pretty small. So far. Holy fuck. The earth is rumbling, dude. Holy shit, dude. It's moving. I mean, it's not crazy. Nothing's falling over right now, but like my whole house is fucking shaking. My fucking windows are swaying and shit. Holy fuck, dude. I mean, it's not bad, but it's still going. Like, it's still fucking moving. Like, we don't get them like this in California. In California, we get hard ones, and then they stop. It's just it's still rolling right now. It's still fucking rolling, dude. This is weird. This is fucking weird. Okay, I mean, it's like... I think it stopped. It's like fucking this weird roll. Like, it's barely rolling. Like, it wasn't violent at all. Like, it was like a roll. Dude, I was here in the Northridge earthquake, bro. I lived in fucking Northridge. Now, I'm not bullshitting you. I lived in Northridge during the Northridge fucking earthquake, bro. No fucking bullshit. I remember the fucking buildings collapsing. The apartment building across the street from us collapsed. They had a fucking parking structure under the fucking apartment. You know, like, under the apartment was the parking, and the apartment was above the parking. And during the earthquake, the whole fucking building fell on all the fucking parking. All the cars got crushed. The first fucking floor, a bunch of people died, dude. I remember having to pull this old lady out of the fucking window. Dude, that was some fucked up times, dude. I was a teenager. I was like, what was that, 96? I was 16? No, I think I was younger than that, dude. Wasn't it like 94 or something? It was fucked up, dude. Well, I'm just happy this didn't fucking turn into anything serious, man. Like, we haven't had an earthquake here in California in a long time. And I've been expecting something like serious, to be honest. I mean, it's actually good to have little ones, I think. I think little ones are good because they let the fucking pressure out, right? That was fucking crazy. Like, it had to be like, 4 something? Maybe 4 something? But it was like really rolly. Like, nothing fell. None of my shit fell. Like my blinds started swaying, and my fucking little connectors for my blinds, like my window blind strings and shit, they started fucking swaying back and forth, like fucking, I don't know, 20, 30 degrees. So like the house was like fucking rolling. That was weird. So what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen now? Is that the fucking preceptor? Yeah, let's see what's going on in the fucking news, dude. Let's see, what should I type? I'm thinking, I could probably find something on YouTube, right? Live earthquake? Is this it right there? Yeah, Escondido to Mescal Valley. I guess that's near me. I'm in Los Angeles. There it is, Southern California. What did it go to? 4.0? 3.0? Which one is it? 1.5, 1.4. Oh, 6.6. Southern California, 6.6. Interesting, dude. It was a 6.6? That didn't feel like a fucking 6.6. Northward earthquake was like a 7 point something, but everyone said that was bullshit. Everyone said it was more than fucking 7. And, oh shit, my mom is texting me. Did you feel the quake? I'm at Gelson's, and the sign swung above my head. Yeah, it was weird. It was weird. But very rolly. But very rolly. Not crazy. Man, that's the weird thing about fucking earthquakes. After you're in an earthquake, it's kind of like fucking fishing. You still feel like you're kind of rolling a little bit sometimes. Dude. That's alright, though. That was exciting there for a minute. Bro, the faults are burning up. That was exciting for a minute, but hopefully that's it, dude. 6.6? Because we don't usually get, like, a decent one and then a big one. That usually doesn't happen. Let me text my mom. That was a 6.6. Let me see. 6.6. Does it say where it was? Southern California. 6.6 max. What was it? 2.2, 2.5, oh, 4.1. And 2.5 before that. I wonder where it was, like, concentrated. Where was it concentrated, dude? Yeah, I'm glad all is well, too, man. Thanks, Crypto. Look at this. We're fucking live streaming earthquakes over here in California. What the fuck is going on over here, dude? That's Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is fucking shaking the goddamn earth up, dude. Bro, I thought I had to call 911 on the minute. I know, right? I am the medic, dog. You can call 911 on me, dude. I'll be going saving all motherfuckers. Those motherfuckers don't need to save me. I'm ready, dude. I have everything, dude. Not only am I a medic, I'm a fucking prepper, dude. I got dude, I'd not need to leave my house for a long time, dog. I can stay right here. If there was an earthquake, I could be stuck in this house for a long fucking time, dude. I got fucking everything. I got guns. I got ammunition. I got food. I got fucking water. I got fucking everything. I got all the camping supplies you could ever fucking want. I got everything, dog. I'm ready. The fucking earthquake meter's still going there. Look at that shit, dude. Look at that shit moving. Oh shit, there's another 4.7 in Ridgecrest. Check that out, dude. 6.6 in Sears Valley. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. Maybe I'll take a picture of this, fucking send it to my mom and shit. Alright. Oops. Fucking earthquakes making me cough or sneeze and shit. Motherfucking earthquakes. How dare you? How dare you, motherfuckers? How dare you, motherfuckers, show up in California and try to shake shit up? We don't play around, motherfuckers. Don't come around here with that shit. Californians. 6.6 ain't nothing to California, dog. Ain't nothing to California. We rock that shit all day. What's Bitcoin doing? Oh, Bitcoin's getting some energy from this earthquake. It's fucking rocking. Mm-hmm. Dude. Well, that was exciting for a minute. I wonder what the fuck's gonna happen now. Where was the epicenter? I don't know what Searless Valley is. Searless Valley? Searless Valley. Alright, California. Quit fucking with us. What was that? I don't know what it is. Why you just gotta be making fucking random noises and shit, motherfucker? I don't like that. My computer don't make random noises. I have no idea where the fuck this is. Now I gotta look this shit up with my mom. Okay. Where the fuck is Searless Valley, California? What the fuck is this shit holding? What? Oh, okay, yeah, Stratus to Ridgecrest. Okay. Barstow. Alright. North of Barstow. Mm-hmm. Well, this is where the epicenter was. There it was. It seems to be dying down a little bit, but look at the paper, dude. On the paper, we're coming back around to where the fucking earthquake was. So... It's fucked up, dude. Trying to shake this up on July 4th, man. That ain't cool. Unless Bitcoin pumps. If Bitcoin pumps, then that's cool. You could do that. Oh yeah, it's already losing steam at 11.9. Womp womp womp. I guess we're on earthquake watch today. Life is short. Buy Bitcoin. I already bought all the Bitcoin I can buy. Trust that, dude. Trust that. I'm thinking about getting a job again just so I can buy more, dude. I don't even need a job. I just want to get a job just so I can have more income, just so I can buy more fucking Bitcoin, dude. And trade? If I could trade and make income, dude. My stacks would be fat. My stacks would be fat. I wouldn't have to do it for that long. If I even work for like a year, oh man. As long as I can trade full time, I gotta do like a fucking like 4, 5, 6 hour job. I should fucking wait tables again, man. When I used to wait tables, I would fucking work 4 hours and I would make fucking bank. That's what I should do. I should fucking wait tables again. Spend all that shit on Bitcoin, dude. I like that. I like that. Another 4.2 in Searless Valley. Fuck you, Searless Valley. What's gonna happen next, dude? What is gonna happen next? Is California gonna shake to pieces? Are we about to shake to fucking pieces over here? Live? On stream? Is 978 about to watch me crumble? I doubt it, dude. I doubt it. Maybe. So what would happen, dude? Let me think about that. So what if my house crumbled? I would get the insurance payment on my house, and I would be able to buy a lot more fucking Bitcoin. Ooh, I like that. I like that, dude. I would have no problems with my house crumbling and me buying more Bitcoin. That sounds fucking awesome to me, actually. Yeah. Okay, there's the fucking live map. See, it's like right on fucking Los Angeles. Yeah. It doesn't look that big though. What is that? 3.5? What does that say? You get those fucking in the ocean. Now it's bigger. It's got a blue thing on it. Whatever that blue thing is. What does it say? 4 minutes ago? 4 minutes ago, we had a 6.6. Is it only 4 minutes? Time flies. Oh shit, there's hard to move over there. It's pretty far from me, actually. I'm surprised. I only felt the 6.6. I didn't feel the other ones. What you gonna do, Bitcoin? Are you saying 978 that we should short Bitcoin? Life is to short Bitcoin? Life is shorting Bitcoin. Is that what you're saying? Life is shorting Bitcoin? Just short Bitcoin all the time? That's life? That's interesting. I will get all your Bitcoin because I was the last to. And I'm the critical kid, Biatch 978. I mean, you're not 977, that's for sure. You definitely ain't fucking 976. Fucking 978, bitches. Just fucking know about that, dude. By the way, I like those numbers. Those are, except for 8, those are good numbers. Fibonacci, right? I'm all about Fibonacci. 1, 3, 5, 8. Oh yeah, 8 is a Fibonacci number. You're good. But 7 isn't. 1, 3, 5, 8, 13. Those are my favorite numbers, dude. But 7 was my number in high school, so that's alright. It's alright. Life is short, so short Bitcoin. Got it, dude. Alright, let's short Bitcoin, dude. Let me get my order in the book right now. Let me short it while we speak. Let's short this shit. Let's short the Ponzi, dude. Let's see if this shit's gonna dump. No, I should have shorted it when I called for that ABC correction. But I was sleeping. Motherfucking got me when I was sleeping, dude. I guess I could have set up some trade. It is what it is. I'll probably catch this next trade. Boss of Bitcoin, yeah. I watch Boss of Bitcoin. He used to be pretty popular. He's all about like fucking. I mean, I guess you could call it Fibonacci, but he's more about like patterns and shit. He's cool. He's alright. He's been through some weird shit. All these YouTubers been through some weird shit. I watch all these guys for fucking ever since I started. I remember this dude came out, started getting popular on YouTube, kind of blew up a little bit. Then he had this girl around for a long time, and it was like. And then this fucking girl fucking disappeared. It's like, oh my god, dude. Now he's by himself again. He's always posting pictures of himself in the gym and shit. It's like, I mean, I get it, bro. Like, you know, do your thing. But like, are we talking about crypto or are we talking about you being a fat ass and working your fucking fat off, dude? I don't know, man. Whatever. I'm not hating, dude. I'm not hating, man. The 777. It's God. Oh shit. The 777. Yeah, that's what he says all the time. The 777. Well, I can tell you, this dude's been wrong before, so. Don't get too excited. But we've all been wrong before, so it is what it is. People are probably freaking out in California right now. People are probably freaking the fuck out, dude. In California, like, we haven't had a quake in a while. So, I'm happy. I like it. I feel like California just farted a little bit, you know? Kind of let the juice out a little bit. There you go. A little shake it. Oh, a little bit. Nothing crazy. No diarrhea. You know, it didn't shard itself. California did not shard itself today. It just, you know, let out a little squeaky squeak, you know? Just kind of let that pressure out. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, look at that quake, dude. Breaking through all the lines. Breaking the lines. Breaking the lines. Yeah. You're probably fine. You're probably fine. You might be okay. Or either we're okay, or this is the last stream I'll ever make, and you're gonna hear me crumble. No, you won't hear me crumble. I got what it takes. I just gotta get my dog. Where's my dog at? How come my dog didn't even... Aren't dogs supposed to freak the fuck out in earthquakes? I never had this dog on the last earthquake. Yeah, she's just chilling outside. I shouldn't give a fuck. I thought I did have a dog, but was there a quake after that? I got a dog in like... Private keys, please. So what we can do is we can do a multi-sig wallet with a time release, right? So what we'll do is we'll do a multi-sig wallet where me and you and we'll get my mom on there. The three of us will sign the wallet, and then we'll put a time release on it so that if I don't release the coins within, let's say, like, whatever, we'll do like a month or something, then you guys can sign together, and that would require the signature of 2 keys. See, that's what's dope about crypto, bro. We don't have to even trust each other. We can actually do that, and that's fucking awesome. Multi-sig contract with time lock on it, bro. These are all possible things on Bitcoin. In the future, not even that far away, people are already working on it. They're gonna have you'll be able to leave your inheritance and trust on Bitcoin, and it'll work through private contracts and keys, and it'll be fucking so sick, dude. It'll be so sick. It'll be all fucking automated, trustless. Oh man, it's gonna be fucking awesome, man. Money ruins a lot of things, by the way. People don't talk about this other thing. Money ruins a lot of fucking things, right? It ruins a lot of relationships. I've seen it. I've fucking watched it happen a lot of times. How about we let computers deal with that, so there's no fucking people in the middle, right? So for example, I grew up in Calabasas, California. So I don't know if you guys heard about Calabasas. That's where fucking Kardashians and all the assholes are. And I've seen a lot of people with a lot of money. I didn't have a lot of money. My parents didn't leave me shit. I didn't have money, but I watched a lot of people have a lot of money, and I watched a lot of people inherit a lot of money. And I watched it fucking tear families up, dude. Because some families, some kids are relying on that inheritance. And they decide they're going to split up between the family, blah, blah, blah. And then, or they think they're going to split up a certain way. They don't necessarily talk to their parents about it. Then the parents die. And it gets split up in a different way. And the fucking family turns into fucking feud. They fight each other. I'm saying fuck that. Fuck that shit. What if it was all in a smart contract? What if it was all in a smart contract and it was conditional and shit? Dude. That's badass. She's badass. Super badass. Yeah. I'm excited. I know 978 is excited. He's excited for me to make the next fucking call because he was here when I made that fucking beautiful call yesterday. So he's just waiting to hear what's next. I'm not sure what's next. Otherwise, I'd be in a position. So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen here. We'll see if we test this bottom range. We still got some room here. We're like way wide in this fucking wedge. In fact, we could even draw this wedge way fucking tighter if we really fucking wanted to. Where's our little bullshit triangle thing? I forget where the fuck they are. Where the fuck are you fucking... Oh, there you are. Alright. So... the tight triangle is something like that. This is the really tight triangle, probably somewhere. Let's do that. Looks nice right there. And our top is going to be. We'll tighten this up a little bit. So that's our like really tight triangle somewhere in there. So. In our tight triangle, you can see we've tested the bottom way more than the top, right? We popped up, we tested the top, boom, and then we bounced off and hit the bottom, up, bottom. So right now we're on the top again. And my assumption is we'll break out of that fucking triangle and start testing the bottom of that resistance line, dude. 978, worry about the watch you stand on, kid. Worry about the watch you stand on, kid. Worry about the watch you stand on, kid. I don't worry about the watch. Does it have to touch 3 times? No. I just noticed that after the 3rd time, it gets fucking weak. So after the 3rd time, either on the 3rd time or the 4th time, it's fucking, it's usually weak, right? Like, I don't know. We'll see. The land you stand on. Oh, I see. Okay. Worry about the land you stand on, dude. I'm not worried about it, dude. I got everything I need, dude. I'm ready. I got supplies. I got rations. If I don't have enough, I got guns and ammo. Right? Please, dude. Ready, dog. Born ready. All right. What else? What I want to do is make some fucking money today. That's what I'd like to do. Sounds fun. That sounds like a good fucking day. Yeah, dude. So I'm in a wait mode right now. I got my Bitcoin ready, but NK ready. Okay, let's go. Boom. Yeah. I don't know. July 4th, dude. You think we're gonna boom on July 4th? Let's have some fun, man. Let's look what happened on the last July 4th. Let's get rid of all this shit. It's distracting ass shit. Alright. Let's go to like where are you at? July 4th. September, October, July 4th. Right there. There you are, you little bitch. Alright. Here's July 4th, 2018. Not that impressive, I would say. Not that impressive. But I feel like we're more like in 2017 times. So let's see what it was like in 2017. July. I remember that. We dumped. Yeah, so we kind of flatlined July 4th here too, and then that's when. Oh wait. Oh, then oh, I remember this. It was such a sweet time. It was so good. Oh my god, I didn't want to sleep. It was like, what? We were like, what the fuck is going on? Oh shit! Oh shit! Nobody sell! Nobody sell! Nobody sell! Hold on. Okay, this is fucking amazing. Whoa, dude, is it gonna fucking stay? Oh, okay. Oh, 10. Okay. All right. Well, all right. It's okay. We'll be all right. All we gotta do is just hold, and we will be all right. Just hold on, guys. Oh, look at us. 8. Oh, God, fuck. Get, stick that. 6. Get 6. All right, we're okay, guys. We're holding 6. 6 is the low. Oh, 6 is the. Okay. Bitcoin, what do we? Whew, man, Bitcoin. I gotta be honest. You've been a fucking wild bitch lately, dude. I don't know what's going on. I love it. It's nice. But fucking shit, dude. Fucking shit, yo. We just got 4 million on the buy. Let's do a deal. If we pump today, you send me BTC. Okay. What happens if we don't pump today? Oh, 0.01. Okay. I like small bets, dude. How about we do 1 Bitcoin? 1 Bitcoin if it goes up, and then you send me 1 Bitcoin if it goes down. Would you want to do that, dog? Let's do that. Let's set some markers, dog. What's up? How about this? 1 Bitcoin. I'll send you 1 Bitcoin if it cracks 13K. You send me one Bitcoin if it cracks 11K. That's a 2K spread, bro. That's fucking beautiful for you. We're right at 11.8 right now. We're right in the fucking middle, man. That's a good deal for you, man. That's a good deal for you, dog. 1 Bitcoin if we crack 13K. Oh, come on, dog. Come on. Oh, dude. All right. Hold on. Let me see on my little calculator that I built here. Let me get my calculator out here, and let me see what 0.1 Bitcoin is worth. Let's see. Put this on BTC value, motherfucker. 0.1. $1,187. You want to bet $1,187? If it goes up to 13K, you win. If it goes to 10K, I win. Does that sound like the trade that we're about to do? We need to do this on a fucking smart contract, like some kind of smart contract where we don't gotta trust each other, like all on the blockchain. That's badass, dude. You good, Medic? Quake and Kel? I know, dude. Wagos. There was a fucking quake here, bro. Wagos, dude. Where's he at? I don't know. I'm not sure if he's listening on the stream. He's in the Discord. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, Wagos was in a storm last night, and I was in a fucking earthquake today, dog. What the fuck is going on around this motherfucker, dude? Fucking earth. Mm-hmm. Oh. I guess Wagos knows about all the natural disasters. He must be plugged in on the natural disaster alert. Sorry, Wagos, we rolling. I got 978 on you. We holding it down. We holding it down, dog. Living that California earthquake life. You guys know about that. We rolling through 6.6s like they're fucking scratching our balls around here, dog. The 6.6 ain't shit. This ain't shit. I take it back. I take it back, California. Take it back. I shouldn't be saying that. I don't know what I'm talking about. I respect you. Don't fuck me up, please. Thank you. Ba 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 ba. Alright, 6.6 is the one, dude. It's all over now. It's all over now, guys. They don't fucking roll together. They don't roll in packs, earthquakes, unfortunately. They might roll in little packs, but they don't roll in big packs, you know what I'm saying? So, the Big Mama probably already came out. And, no big deal, dude. Yeah, man, not like Pumpy Pumpy. It wasn't Pumpy Pumpy. It was like Roly Roly. Roly Roly. What up, Slim Trady? You just missed the fucking live earthquake we had. Live earthquake coming out here from California. As Bitcoin fucking flatlines and doesn't do shit. And 976 tries to lose his Bitcoin to me. But yeah, he says he thinks that we're gonna go up. I say I don't know yet, dude. I can't say anything yet, dude. I'm watching this shit like a fucking hawk. We'll see what this shit takes us, bro. I don't know. We'll see. But in the meantime, we're watching the earthquake disaster fucking news over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, rolling it in. You see that 6.6 that came in here in Southern California. They keep rolling in, but that's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Wagos, it's hot today, and Medic almost died. What you know about that? 978. 978, dog. Why you spreading the drama, dude? You spread the drama, dog. We chilling. We chilling over here in California. We chilling. We balling. Out of control. It ain't no thing, dude. It ain't no fucking thing, dude. Yeah, fucking Wagos was in like a storm last night. He was on the live stream driving around, and it sounded like his car was fucking. Oh, dude, here we go, Slim Trady, dude. All right, man. It's like we can go down that path if you want, dude. I'm not tripping, dude. Cali is nuts. It's not that nuts, dog. It's beautiful. It's beautiful over here, man. It's the best. Cali is the best. The west side is the best side. What Massachusetts going to do? I don't know. What is Massachusetts going to do? It's supposed to work outside, but I'll wait later on. Yeah, it's probably how you gonna work outside, dog, in the fucking thunderstorm and shit? Maddie, what's good? Wait, where's Maddie? Maddie's not in here, dude. Slim Trady's not Maddie, dude. Slim Trady's fucking the iFOMO fucking hater. Now I'm saying, just a pumpy, roly kind of day, Wagos. Wagos knows what I'm talking about. It's just a pumpy, roly kind of day. You know, ain't no thing. We rolling through. It's like it ain't a shit to us here in California, dog. Oh shit. Oh hey, Maddie on stream. Welcome, dog. Oh, he's on the Discord. I see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We in the trenches, dog. We don't fuck around. This earthquake shit don't slow us down. We be trading through earthquakes like it ain't no fucking thing. Trying to stop us. Can't stop us. Look at that. The 6.6 not even on the fucking thing anymore. It's such old news, dog. We don't give a shit. I'm just kidding, California. Don't. I'm just playing California. Don't fuck with me. I'm just being an asshole. Don't listen to me, dog. I love you, man. I love you, California. Keep it chill. Keep it chill, dog. Keep it chill. Little farts, not sharts. No sharts, only farts. Come on. I'll take your farts all day. No sharts, please. Yeah. We called that ABC correction. Now, we didn't fucking dip down much harder, so we retraced, and now we're playing the fucking range. Here we go, yo. I ain't doing shit until we figure out what the fuck's going on. So, we'll see if people start earthquake selling. Is this going to be the earthquake sale? Is the earthquake going to be what spurs the dump of Bitcoin? I doubt it. I think we're going to the moon. I think we're going to the moon. Mm-hmm. Milky Loads, bro. Jesus Christ, dude. This guy cannot fucking quit, dude. So stupid. Such a waste of time, dude. Sure it is, buddy. Sure it is, buddy. July 4th rocket. You think so? Maybe. Maybe. Mm-hmm. Aha, that's what it was. Got it.
I'm told. But in this blue world filled with bones, I'll just keep dancing on my own. It's a useless waste of time. I don't care what's on your mind. The truth is never.
All right, Bitcoin. Give us that July 4th pumpy while we roll here in California with the quakes. You know what? I'm gonna go smoke a bowl to celebrate this fucking quake that we just had, that we just rolled through. I'll be back in a few minutes after I get my lungs full. I gotta pay respects to California, you know what I'm saying? I'll be right back.
And I've got all the time it seems. I'd rather see you in my dreams. And every chance you dance I'll take. If I can't see you again. And I've got all the time it seems. I'd rather see you in my dreams. And every chance you dance I'll take. If I can't see you again. We could be listening for answers, waiting to be set free. You came across this moment, and I'm so thankful you shared it with me. Take it from me, we live to be free. Take it from me, I want you to see. And I've got all the time it seems. I'd rather see you in my dreams. And every chance to dance I'll take. If I can't see you again. We could be listening for answers, waiting to be set free. You came across this moment, and I'm so thankful you shared it with me. We could be listening for But she said, trust me, these are the stories we will tell. As I stood frozen